Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Android version and the apps that show video ads, because blockers rely on system compatibility. Install a reputable ad blocker or an ad blocking browser from Play Store and grant only the permissions it needs. Once done, open the blocker and run the initial setup. Allow VPN-based filtering if prompted so it can filter video streams, and make sure battery optimization is disabled for the blocker so it runs reliably in background. Now you refine blocking by enabling video-specific filters and tracker blocking. This targets the large video ad networks. Add or update filter lists, use community-maintained lists for best coverage, and manually block any persistent ad domains that slip through. If the app supports it, enable private DNS and point to a resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 9, 9, 9, 9 to block known ad domains at the system level. Make sure to restart your browser or apps finish by testing sites and apps that previously showed video ads to confirm blocking works. If ads persist, clear the browser or app cache and reload. Make sure other VPNs, battery savers, or aggressive cleaners are not interfering. Disable them briefly to check. If blocking still fails, reset the ad blocker to defaults and re-import up-to-date filter lists, because corrupted rules or outdated lists are a common cause. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle the blocker's VPN off and on to refresh filtering.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.